All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Tuesday morning. God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. I pray you and your family are super blessed as Bitcoin right now is breaking down from the range. And of course, you can see we have a line here that says, please, Bitcoin greater than. We want Bitcoin greater than this green line here on the chart, because if we start to lose, well, we could come all the way back down toward my entry. So New York has just opened right now, and we're starting with a little bit of a blue candle to the upside, which isn't always the best thing. Typically, that means we're going to get a pump and dump as the Bitcoin price is currently trying to reclaim the green line. Please, Bitcoin, please! Can we do it? Big shout to everybody in the chat. Of course, if we can reclaim the green line, then I don't see any reason why we can't make our way all the way up to a new high up here at around 184, but this is not looking the best, honestly. You know, to be totally honest, you know, I mean, a New York open pump is usually a bad sign, guys. You know, usually the dump first is what we want, but it does look very squeezable here. It does look very squeezable. We got to give a big shout out to everybody in the chat. First of all, a big shout out to Hoodle Latch, who says smash, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Shout out to Getchy M9Q, smash the likes. But are there more people buying, says Greggy86. We'll take a look. Big shout out to Training 3741. Reason would be because people are buying more than selling. Shout out to Omar, who says dumpy. Shout out to Greggy, who says no. Shout out to DigiGaming Pro, who says, do you see any reason why Bitcoin can go up or any other altcoins? Shout out to Roy TX7ZX, who says morning. Shout out to Alexander Byalukiev, who says pumpy or dumpy. Big shout out to Chichan E5Q, let's go. The bottom is in. It's only going higher from here. Well, so far you've been right. Big shout out to Memory Man. God bless you, my bro. Big shout out to Not Quicker. Big shout out to Sigma Crypto, who says good morning, and Keith M. Jeffs. Yo, live. Let's go. Pump the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Oh my goodness. This is definitely, in my opinion, not looking the best here for Bitcoin upon a New York open pump and dump, which is usually what we get. Let's check out the chart here locally, guys. We got to check out good old Market Cypher B. First of all, we do understand that this is a golden pocket locally from low to high, but we've tapped it a few times, right? We tapped it. Actually, we front ran it twice, and now, guys, honestly, to be honest, we are bouncing from it now. But man, if we cannot close the candle above 62,348 and 0 cents on Bybit, then I suspect we're coming down to at least 61.8. And if we can't hold 61.8, I suspect we're coming down to around 60,800. And if we can't hold that, then I suppose we're coming down to 60,100. And if we can't hold that, then I suppose we're going all the way back down to 58,000. And we are getting a harsh rejection right now as your boy Jason Casper is losing money like crazy here. You know, we were up 12 grand on this trade yesterday. We held it all the way from the high, all the way to the low. We didn't get our big old pump that I was hoping for yesterday. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Just relax, Jason. Just relax. You don't want to go back to the institution, do you? Look. Okay, we're getting a purple candle. A big old doji. Macro doji and cheese candle here on. Big shout out to Xander. He says, yo from Iran. What's going on, bro, from Iran? Shout out to Baj Gan from Israel. What's going on from Israel? Shout out to Rame Crypto. Strong, crazy, long. Hopefully we get pump. Shout out to Toro Boro. I'm just here for the pain. You're here for the pain? What are you trying to say? All right, okay, so this is a very interesting New York Open. Let's check out the good old order flow chart here. We'll go to the 5-minute time frame on the order flow. Oh my goodness, wow, would you look at this crazy, intense drop of open interest here. Long's absolutely wrecked on this last drop, and now we're actually seeing shorts opening up here, all right? We're seeing shorts opening up here in the moment, so let's actually see what happens. Let's take a look at the range in general here. Let's go to a higher term time frame here. Let's go to the 15-minute, and let's take a look at this range in general. So again, man, I would say that we do have a little bit of bullish-ish CVD here. It's nothing too crazy, but technically, we are seeing shorts kind of opening up in this zone here, which could give us a bit of a short squeeze. But honestly, based on the fact that New York has opened up with a green candle and is now rejecting from the support resistance flip, I would suspect that we come down a little bit farther here. Let's wait and see how it plays out, as we are currently in a $250,000 long trade right here, up $5,000. Now, let's see what happens here, because, again, I am potentially looking to open up a freshie over on KCEX. What's she going to do next over on KCEX? Of course, KCEX, 10% deposit bonus up to $21,000 rewards. Lowest fees in the world over on KCEX. What's she going to do next over on KCEX? I'm loading up a $500,000 long over here on KCEX. Ready to hit that long button. Ready to push it. Should I push it now? Should I push it now? Let me know in the chat. Should I push it now? And of course, we're over here on Antarctic Exchange, losing money, bleeding money. Oh my goodness, should I close the long trade now? Should I close it? Should I close it? I don't know. I don't know. I wish I knew what to do. Shout out to Memory Man. How many miles do I walk per day? I don't know. I don't know. Here's the thing. I have no idea. Why would I know? How would I know? I don't have a mile tracker. I don't have a mile tracker on my dang feet. All right, the transhumanism movement hasn't gone that far yet to have a mile tracker on my dang implantable technology watch tattoo. All right, I have no idea, but I will tell you this. I do walk quite a bit, and I will tell you this. You should too. It's good for you. All right. Okay, so next level of support is going to be 61,989. All right. JR just exited the short. All right, then let's pump. All right. People say don't long yet. Don't long yet. Don't long yet. Don't long yet. Okay. Won't do it yet. I'm feeling the urge, guys. I'm doing it. I'm taking my finger. I'm pushing the button. Oh, just kidding. I can't. I won't. I can't. And I won't. All right, I can't and I won't. But let's see what happens here. Oh, man, we're losing money. Oh, my goodness, this is terrible and horrible. No good, very bad day. Alexander and the terrible, horrible, no good, very bad day. Crap, why didn't I take profit yesterday? All right, don't worry. It's not over until the fat lady sings Sweet Home Alabama. We're going to come back to... Oh, man, even Market Cipher B looks condemning. The handwriting is on the wall, guys. Look at this. Some slight bullish div, maybe, but it's not looking the best. As long as we can hold 61.8, maybe this can save us here, but it's a floppy. Butt cheeks are coming out. It's really not looking the best. We're going to go ahead and go down to the 3-minute time frame. Okay, 3-minute time frame might be our saving grace here, guys. The 3-minute time frame perhaps is going to be our ticket home. All right, now let's pop back over to our trade. Okay, we're back up above the $5,000 level mark on our profits. We're dipping below 5,000. It really hurts to see a big 4 there. 4. All right, 5. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Let's go back to the order flow right now and see what's going on. All right, let's go to the 1-minute chart so we can really zoom in and get super paranoid about every little tick, so we can flop and grope in and out of trades on every little tick. You know? Oh, my goodness. Big green candle pumping up right now. Big green. Uh-oh, big juicy red coming in. Oh, crap. Sell it all. Oh, my goodness. Okay, we're getting a little bit move up. Buy. We're getting to move up. Buy everything. All in. Come on, baby, green candle. Let's go, baby, green candle. Come on, baby. Yes, buy. I'm all in, baby. $250,000. Come on, we're up $5,105. Come on, baby. Let's go back to the chart. Red candle. Sell everything. Crap, should I long? I'm on KCEX over here, about to click long. Should I long? Man, this is the most crazy emotional moment of my life. Whew, too much coffee. They said coffee was good for traders. Apparently not. Oh, crap. Sell it all, guys. Red candle. Oh, no. Oh, green. Buy. I'm all in, baby. Let's go. Come on, pump it. Come on, baby, pump it up. We got to get our plunger. Pump it up. Yeah, we got the green. Yeah, we got the green, baby. We got the green. I love that green candle. It's looking so dang juicy. Oh, my goodness. Countries are exploring Bitcoin today. Guys, countries are exploring Bitcoin. They're out there in the wild, exploring Bitcoin in the jungle. They're touching Bitcoin for the first time, caressing the Bitcoin. What shape is it? Is this a circle? They're feeling it. They're exploring it all over for the first time as we get this massive green candle pumping on the chart. All right. We gonna pump? No, we gonna dump. It's too early for this kind of emotional trauma. I know, right? Sheesh, I mean, I just woke up 2 seconds ago. Here we go, baby. Big old juicy green pumping, baby. Come on, Bitcoin, please, Bitcoin. Please, Bitcoin, cross our green line of hope and wonder. Get a short squeeze all the way up to 64, 181 and 59 cents on Antarctic Exchange. Lowest fees on the DEX. Click the link in the description to get VIP level fees, baby. Exclusive only to Jason Casper. Come on, baby. We need to reclaim. We need to reclaim. We need to reclaim. The pump song will save my trade. CBK Wahoo thought about refinancing my home last cycle. That would have been the worst decision of my life. Man, already during this live stream, I've refinanced my home 3 times to buy more Bitcoin on every one of these green candles, and it was the worst decision of my life on every one of these red candles. Come on, baby. Oh! Pump in, baby. Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Are you going to save the day, market makers, or what? Are you going to save the day? Yeah, I know. The chickens might drink. The chickens might drink. Kunal Sudhakar. Kunal Sudhakar. The chickens might drink, bro. I know. I know. Take a deep breath and inhale into the plunger. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Close your long row if it goes down, and your short if it goes up. Yeah, that's a good idea. On every candle, I should close my trade and open a new. Oh, wow. Here we go, Bitcoin, baby. We are exploring Bitcoin today, guys. Welcome to the SS Exploration Casper. Welcome aboard the SS Exploration with Jason Casper, your captain today, as we're exploring the price of Bitcoin. It seems to be going a little bit higher here on the 1-minute chart, and as you can see, we're touching the green line. Please, Bitcoin, can we touch the green line? Let's go on an exploration, everybody. Like the other countries that are currently exploring Bitcoin today. Here we go. We're pumping above the level. We're going on an exploration. It's gonna be so fun. Snacks are included. We have some good old Lay's potato chips included in our exploration here. Let's go, baby. Here we go, Bitcoin. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Does anyone know what exchange Jason Casper is using? This is Antarctic Decentralized Exchange, and also I'm looking to fire up a freshie on KCEX centralized. KCEX, lowest fees, period, all this good stuff. Antarctic, have some big news this week for Antarctic, guys. Oh man, decentralized exchange. So all your own assets on your own dang wallet. All right, everything's on the blockchain, everything's transparent on Antarctic. Super low fees, operates like a SEX. With the mobile app and everything. Oh no. Oh my goodness. All right, sell it all, guys. We're getting a red candle of destruction. Red candle of destruction. Oh my goodness, I thought it was time to buy, but now it looks like it's time to sell. The 1-minute chart's giving us a red candle. Oof, just kidding. Time to go all in, baby. Here we go, a green. Pumping it up, if you know what I mean. I'm so dang clean from my washing machine. My trade's never in the red, they're only in the green. Woo. Man, the coffee's good today. Last time I ate potato chips? I don't know. Probably April 14th. My son's birthday. I mean, I don't have a problem with potato chips. Especially if they're, here's the thing. If they're organic potato chips that are fried in avocado oil. And it's just avocado oil and potatoes and sea salt. I'll eat that. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I don't think there's anything wrong with that at all. You know? But I usually just eat one chip. Just one chip. I can do that. One chip. And then eat the rest of my potato chips in the form of a baked potato. Oh my goodness. What the F is wrong with you today, says Trader Face. What do you mean what's wrong with me today? This is just normal behavior for crypto people. Jason, shut up, man. They're going to put you back in the institution, bro. You got to chill. Just get your act together. All right. Woo, this is just normal. Look, the one good thing about trading is you have to be very disciplined. You can't let your emotions get the better of you when you're trading, okay? Take a deep breath, everybody, and just relax. Why are you guys freaking out so much? Why are you guys flopping and groping on every 1-minute candle here? Why have you refinanced your house 17 times during this 15-minute live stream as we're currently trying to break out and reclaim this very key please Bitcoin level? A purple candle? That's not what I want to see. Why don't we make it back to blue, baby? Come on, here we go. New York open, baby. make them all blue just to see what the Bitcoin price is going to do. We'll make them all blue. There we go. That looks good. Good, right, guys? Hey. Oh, yeah. We got the big juicy green coming up, if you know what I mean. And look, open interest increasing here. Actually, to be honest with you, we're forming a little bit of bullish CBD. There's a little bit of bullish CBD right here. We might actually be in the clear. Sit back and relax, my dear. We might be in the clear. We got a little bit of bullish CBD. Here, 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 here. Don't have any fear. Jason Casper is here, and we'll explore Bitcoin together as we caress the Bitcoin to explore every square inch of the Bitcoin surface. P2P. All right, what does that mean? P2P. Are you blind? You can read the Braille on the Bitcoin. 010001. I feel 01. Wow, look at this Bitcoin. What a great exploration this has been so far, guys. As we plunge the depths of this big Bitcoin safari operation. 007 secret agent James Bond. Now let's get back to the here we go. A little bit of green, a little bit of bullish CBD, a little bit, guys. I think we might be able to reclaim this level right here. P2P. We need the pump song. I don't know. I think it's a little bit early to pump song. Don't say P on TV. Blue his trade. I get it. It's the Eiffel 65 song from the 90s. Man, we should listen to that right now. You know? Blue. I don't even know how to spell Eiffel 65. Eiffel 65? Yeah, here we go. I'm going to get copyright hit for this. That's okay. That's okay.
Guy that lives in a blue world, and all day and all night, and everything he sees is just blue, like him inside and outside. Blue his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette, and everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around.
It's working, baby.
Nobody to listen.
It's working. It's working.
I'm blue.
Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, it's blue.
I have a blue house with a blue window. Blue is the color of all that I wear. Blue are the streets and all the trees are blue. I have a girlfriend
And she is so blue.
Blue are the people here that walk around. Blue like my Corvette, it's in and outside. Blue are the words I say and what I think. Blue are the feelings that live inside me. I'm blue.
I actually do think this is working though. Uh-oh. Crap!
I have a blue house with a blue window.
Oh, it's not looking the best though.
Blue is the color of all that I wear. Blue are the streets and all the trees are too. I have a girlfriend and she is so blue. Blue are the people here that walk around. Blue like my Corvette, it's in and outside. Blue are the words I say.
All right, okay. All right. Oof. Oh, man. All right, we got to get back to the hip-hop music. Oh, man, come on, Bitcoin. Don't do this to me now. We got a little green candle of hope here. Come on, let's pump it up. Let's pump it up. Let's pump it up, baby. Let's pump it up. Yeah. Let's pump it up. Let's pump it up. Yeah. Let's pump it up. Hey, yo. Don't you know we gotta pump it up? Jason Casper drinking coffee straight out of the cup, man. I'm out here on the streets, I'm so tough, man. Trading Bitcoin every day, don't got enough, man. Chilling out with my good friend Stan. Looking like we got a plan. You know we got the hand driving through from the land to the land. East coast to the west coast. In the sand, on the beach, about to eat a peach. In the water, hopefully don't get a leech. You know we're screaming so loud, we gotta screech like the owls coming down, baby, chilling on the streets. We go down through the manhole underneath. What do we got as I'm walking on my feet? We got the quarter milli. Trade open up. Here we go. J Casper about to pop to cup to the top. We about to blast Bitcoin. Stepping on the gas, going fast. Oh, the blue candles, they start to pump. The purple candles, get out of here, baby. Don't dump. Pumping so orange, just like Donald Trump. Yeah, Kamala got kicked in the rump, man. When she lost the election, just kidding, no election, just a selection. Here we go, about to squeeze the shorts, baby. Ha! The bear's about to get hort, baby. Ha! Man, I'm so tall, not short. You know we long the bottom. That's how we snort like the pig do the jig. Irish dance got a lance like Lance Armstrong. One Tesla coal in the pants, baby. He got took the roids, he got deflected. Next thing you know, we don't get rejected. We pump up, we get the back test. About to pump and I'll tell you the rest. We're in the gym every day, only train arms and chest. Always skip leg day, baby, that's what's best. Hey yo, it's J Casper in the house. We're long in Bitcoin for the Bitcoin bounce. But we gotta take a peek at market cipher beats to see if there are any uneven cheeks. Big on the left, we want it so dang juicy. Skinny on the right to round out the booty, And baby, I don't know if you could spot it, but we literally gotta bounce from the golden pocket local. Ain't no yokel, 62.3, baby, listen to the vocals. You got the bifocals on your eyes, don't be nearsighted. Bitcoin about to pump, man, I get so excited. Did we take the highs? CDW about to cry? Oh my goodness, would you look at this? Bitcoin pumped up, but now we take a piss? We hit 62.4, CDW rejected at the door. We thought we had a little bit, but we got some more. Purple candle coming down, now I gotta snore crap. We take it back, the Bitcoin price, baby, in the face got smacked by the CDW, can't be true. Hopefully we don't do to me what we did to you. We wanted to squeeze, but we got the tease. The next thing we're begging Bitcoin, baby, please, cross the line. You're looking so fine, girl, I wanna take you out for some pasta and some wine. Cause we're coming to the nice yellow trend line. Girl, you're looking so dang fine, I wanna hold you and make you mine. Bitcoin, please don't do this to me. I had too much wine, now I'm falling asleep at the restaurant, passed out drunk. I'm an astronaut in the pool, getting water in my helmet. Next thing you know, we're drowning out here in space, baby, that's how we go. Crap, we're dumping back down. Oh, Bitcoin, baby, please turn around. Man, I could already hear the sound of the liquidation coming in and I got a frown. I'm so dang sad, this trade went so bad. Man, I'm not happy, I'm starting to get mad. The market's rigged, how could this happen to me? Next time I won't trade, believe you me, Why do I always long the top? High leverage liquidated, baby, it just don't stop. The market makers coming in, frustrator to begin. We're out here like Darth Vader in his skin. Darth Vader, half man, half machine. My trade's never in the red, only in the green. J Casper, you know he got the spleen and the organs like the stomach and the intestines. Beans, the beans, they give you all the farts. They're good for your heart, they make you smart. You know they got the fiber and the phytic acid. The Bitcoin price coming out, man, you gotta smash this. Smash the price, looking nice. Got the blue candles frozen, baby, cold as ice. We got the blueberries mixed in the Greek yogurt. Put in the protein powder, baby, it's looking like Snowgurt. You You got the snowbird coming in. She's a lady. Where do we begin? She wants to make you sell the bottom, buy the top. The Bitcoin price, baby. Market makers never stop. Then we chop city all day. We never take profits. We never get paid. But hey, it's all good. We take a screenshot for Twitter. That's what matters. Making it quicker. You know, it only matters about the screenshot. As long as people think you're rich, that's enough. Doesn't matter if you're taking losses every day. On the Twitter, people think you're getting paid. Take a screenshot, you post it on X. Dang, Jason Casper, man, made profits next. But really, I didn't take profit, just a screenshot. And now what I have left is a whole bunch of snot from the nose. You gotta blow it out into the tissue. Bitcoin, baby, I gotta kiss you as we explore the Bitcoin we feel with our hands. Is it round? Is it a piece of sand? Is his name Dan? I don't know. Oh, by am I? My goodness. Oh, crap. All right. So look, guys, we're having some crazy times here. All right. We are having some crazy times. Hopefully this is an inverted head and shoulder. All right. Hopefully this is a inverted head and shoulder. You know, hopefully we pump up from here. All right, cool. Well, look, guys, we had the old combo. We had the old combo. Man, man, I don't know what's up, guys, but I got I got snot in my nose today. You know what I think it is, to be honest? I think it's the neighbor across the mountain over there is burning some stuff, and it smells like smoke out here. It smells like smoke. But let's see what we can do. This is honestly not looking the best because we did get a local swing failure pattern of that high there. And we got momentum coming back down here. We got momentum coming back down. I want to see the reclaim of this level. All base and no trouble, baby. Let's see if we can't get the reclaim of the level. All base and no trouble. S Crypto Guy. S Crypto Guy. Shout out to S Crypto Guy in the house. Don't jump into a pool with your Spidey suit, just in case you needed that advice. Nah, it's not pollen. I'm not allergic to pollen. But smoke does bother me. We all have snot in our nose, Jason. It's called being human. Thank you for that. Shout out to Space Lord 45, J.O. Flave. Grammy-nominated artiste, baby. Yeah, you know. Look. Straight off the dome, baby. I'm not spitting written. I'm not spitting written up in here. All right, let's see what happens with this Bitcoin price. Okay, let's get back to the chart. All right. So here's the deal, y'all. Let's actually do some real analysis here. So basically, what we have going on, in my opinion, is the following. This potentially is a nice bottom here. All right, this potentially is a nice bottom that we made here. And we do have a nice. Well, let's start on the weekly. All right, let's start on the weekly. So, as you can see here, this potentially is a nice bottom here. And the reason why it's a nice bottom is because locally, what we did over the weekend and on the weekly candle is we actually got a nice weekly close, taking the low on Friday and then closing the week above both this level from February 6th and this level from February 23rd, the week of February 23rd. Now, the problem is, also, one last thing I do want to note, this is the first time in human history since October 6th in the bear market that we are printing a bullish div here on the weekly market cipher B. All right, we come down to the daily time frame, and you know, we don't see anything super nice here except for a very, very, very oversold wave. Okay, now obviously, for this to be a real sign of strength, we would need to see Bitcoin reclaiming 65,241. All right, 65,241 reclaim is a must. If we can't do that, well, then when we zoom out, we can see that we did front run a very important level between the price of $54,000 and around $58,000. And so if we cannot reclaim the value area low of the local range, then it makes the most sense that we will come down to value area low of the macro range here. Very important resistance for us right now is obviously not just the value area low of the local range, but the POC of the local and macro ranges. So if the bottom is in, right, a move above this level is very, very strong. In fact, if we do get a move above this level, I would be looking for longs up to back up here. You know, my first target would obviously be around $78,000, right? This would have to be a TP1 at this resistance, but then there's no reason why we can't shoot for this. And do I think that's going to happen? No, I actually don't. I don't think it's going to happen soon. I think it's probably more likely, if the low is in here, that, you know, maybe we chop around for a little bit for a long time. Maybe even we come down to make another low eventually and then make a higher low. I feel like something like this is most likely to happen here if we're bottoming out in this area and we're going to really find our bottom in October, November. I think we're probably going to chop around in here for a long time. It's not going to be like a V-shaped recovery. Could the low be in now? There's a very small chance. And if it is, same deal. I would assume we probably do something like this, come down, do something like this, take the highs, come back down, and then, you know, chop around. But I did really want to see, like today, the move back up towards $65,000 just to see what would happen there. If we make another lower low, and if we come down to the low 50s where we have our next support, this now would actually give us a very bullish divergence on the daily and the weekly, right? This would give us a really bullish div here on the daily with the money flow looking really nice. That would actually be, if this was on the 12-minute, right? We come down to this, and this was on our 12-minute, I would be longing big time, right? I'd be posting the Casper Crew VIP Discord, baby. It's time to go long. Confluence with the weekly bull dip that we would have there too. That's pretty bottomish. All right, now with a 4-hour time frame, if we make another low, we are actually going to have a really nice looking 4-hour as well. We're going to have the 4-hour with a nice bullish divergence. We are going to have the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour with bullish divs if we come down into the mid 50s. So, you know, if we do make another low, things are going to be looking pretty dang bullish here. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. All right, looks like we're trying to get a little bit of a pump here. So, yeah, I think that's where we stand. Now, if we come down to lower time frames, you can see here that we have ourselves a local range to work with. All right, so this is our local range. And if we pull our fib from low to high, you can see that really if we're not going to reclaim the Bitcoin please level here, then our next target is going to be down around $61,000 because this is where we have the local value area low. So we have the Sunday low and we have this macro golden pocket. And if we can't hold the golden pocket, then we do have some liquidity here where we might just come down, make a higher low at the 786 and then pump, right? This is also possible. Now, if we don't hold any of these levels here, then yeah, we're going for the low. And then I would suspect that we actually do come and tap into that 618 coming in around 57.5. We got some other confluences around there as well. All right, we got some other confluences around there as well. Are we pumping? Shout out to Daniel C.A. Prude. Why leave the treadmill to pee? Just have a pee bucket by the laptop? I usually do, but I lost it here. Oh, it's down there. I pee in a jug. All right, my neighbor is lighting the beacons of Gondor. They full ported long and are going to get liquidated and are looking for your help. I don't know what that is. It sounds like some Harry Potter crap or some Lord of the Rings crap. I don't know. Shout out to Crypto Crank. He says, good morning, brother. Good morning, bro. God bless you, man. Good to see you here. Exit your Bitcoin longs now. You're giving free money to the exchanges, noobs. Dang! Oh my goodness, wow. We got a massive rejection here. This is a massive rejection. I might have to freak out and close the dang trade. All right, let's pop on back here to the chart. Man, we might be coming back, you know, to 61K right now. It's really not looking good, even on Market Cypher B. You know? But it's not over until the fat lady sings. But man, this is really not a good swing failure pattern of those highs. Like, this is a classic New York pump and dump. Classic. 2-minute looks like garbage. Look at this classic pump and dump. Although the only hope here is that we do what we did with the highs at the lows. That's the only hope. 'Tis the only hope. Pour pea in your weed plants? I don't have weed plants. It's not looking good at all, guys. Crapola. Crapola. Man. It looks like we're coming straight down to my entry, guys. Looks like we're coming straight down to my dang entry. Are we in a Wyckoff accumulation pattern? I mean, we might be. It's too early to tell right now. But shout out to Real Cypher Rider. God bless you, bro. What's the speed on my treadmill? The 618 level is 61-ish K. The speed of my treadmill is 3.6. 3.6 is the speed of my treadmill right now. Yeah, 3.6 is the speed of my treadmill. Shout out to ES23546. Jay, it's been a minute since the Bybit days. Do I need to use a VPN to use Antarctic? No, it's a decentralized exchange. Elliot Wave says, Divine Hood says we do go for another low. Yeah, maybe we get the same entry as me. Let's see. I'm really waiting to see what happens here. You know, I'm holding this trade kind of as like, you know, I am still short, right? So I'm up 80K on the short. I'm holding this trade because in case the low is in here. Let's see. We'll see what happens, all right? We'll see what happens. Miles per hour. Maybe it is kilometers. I don't know. It's some cheap treadmill on Amazon. It's probably kilometers and not miles. I need to explore Bitcoin in the woods for a bit. I think you're right, Mr. Jinx. I do need to explore BTC in the WOODZ. You know? I need to explore Bitcoin in the woods. In the woods. Alright, David says the 8-hour blood diamond on Mark Cypher A is bearish as hell. Well, I don't know, man. We've never... Have we? Yeah, I don't know. Let's check it out. Man, the 8-hour market cypher B in general doesn't look so good, does it? Yeah, we're getting a red trigger wave here. It looks like it could take us down a bit. But honestly, if we do make another low, we would have some ultra bullish divergences here on the 8-hour. You know? Leave your pee for 30 days and re-ingest it. You get more stem cells. I'll pass on that one. I'll pass. I'll pass on that one. I will pass. I'll pass the gas. What? What? Nah, not now, man. In like an hour, alright? Yeah, in about an hour. Yeah, a real capitulation bottom would be nice, Crypto Crank. I agree. I agree. That would be nice. I'm not really going to hold this trade to the low. I think I'll close it out at my entry for a break even. And then I'll look for another. This is a key level that we're touching right now, guys. This is the filling of the fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame. If this holds, that's good. If this doesn't hold, then yeah, we're coming all the way back down. We're trying to hold it here. We're trying to hold it right now. We're trying to hold it. Yeah, and it happened on a Friday night. Also, Crypto for Columbus and Crypto Crank. It like after market close, so it's kind of like a weekend-ish low. But let's see. You know how Bitcoin loves to mess with everybody. So let's wait and see. Let us wait and see. All right. All right. All right, let's hold the line, baby. Let's hold the line. Let's hold the line. But anyway, guys, you know what? It's a very special day in the Casper household today. It's a very special day in the Casper household today. And so for that reason, I do have to head out, y'all. Wish I could stay all day, but I have to head out. So God bless everyone. And Lord willing, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell. Peace.